Games new to me. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, there's a fire or a lot of smoke coming from over there, and it is, I don't know what's burning. Hopefully you can see it. There is suddenly a lot of smoke. I don't know what that was. There it is. You can see it coming up over there. And that looks serious. I don't know what's burning, but something is. The power line went down, but something bad is happening. The wind is awful. Apparently, they are aware of the fire, and the street is blocked off. So I assume that means that the power line went down. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Alright, now we know. Yeah, I know.
Ja nie wiem, czy widzisz, czy nie. Ja ci mówię.
I'm in the wrong gear, but that's okay. Right there. Okay.
Trochę dalej, bo tu widać tylko gałęzie.
As we head through the overnight hours, still expecting wind gusts of upwards of 50, possibly even 60 miles per hour at times. Early tomorrow morning, we'll be headed to about 40 to 50
Alright.
per hour through your Saturday. Winds will...
I need to get out of
Go ahead.
Because I don't see anything.
Alright guys, as you can see, there's a downed tree right there. And the car is completely covered. As you can see, UPS truck just drove by, but how well you can see, that tree is broken and something massive just fell over here. Yeah, right there. Right there, all that fell. It is not exactly a safe area right now. That whole thing on the ground, that wasn't there. That just fell. That was that sound that you may have heard.
Ale olbrzymie drzewo.
Yeah, that whole tree. And we just heard it break. That is so crazy.
This car just came in here.
Yeah. Alright.
I guess it was spawning next to this woman.
We just heard it. I heard it fall. I think I have it. I think I have this. And there's the car across the street. I need to close the window because it is blowing. It is blowing really, really hard. And that was just freaky as hell that fell. Look at that tree. You guys can see that? Look at that. That is crazy. See the roots all torn out of the ground? With a light post. There's a light post with the tree.
Yeah.
That is crazy. I gotta get out and look at this. Alright guys, this is insane. God, it is blowing like crazy. Look at this. This is what the wind did. This right here is what the wind did. That is crazy. Smells good though. There's the light post. Look at that. Still on the ground. Is that crazy or what? Look at this. That is just nuts. I should probably get the hell out of here before something falls on me. I fell over, but this. That is just. And that's the lady I just spoke with. She just pulled out as that tree fell, and that's the tree you heard on video. Alright guys, there is something kind of scary going on. Let me show you what's going on. The tree in the front yard is leaning very heavily. And if you look over here, you see how it's leaning? It's coming down. I don't know when. But look over here. See that? See those cracks in the ground? See the roots kind of coming up? It is wanting to fall. This is bad, 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 bad news. It's leaning more and more and more. And if this wind continues, it is going... Holy shit! I just had a tree fall next to me. If it doesn't fall, we gotta cut it down. This thing is now dangerous. Okay, so still got some wind going on, but things are a lot calmer than they were. And power crews are actually out and about and working. And that's what we're gonna go take a look at right now. Okay, so I lied. We haven't gotten there yet, but off in the distance you can already see the truck working. Ooh, I can really smell something burning. And you can see the smoke through. Can you guys see those beams of light and how they're catching the smoke between the trees? Something is definitely burning. But over there, you can see the power crews already working. Let me zoom out because otherwise I'll make everybody nauseous. Now there you see the power crew working on something. The light is working over here, so that's good. And we continue. Look at that. I see the cherry picker moving. And you zoom out, so. But look at that. That, I don't know if you can see that against the sun, but see the power line? All the way down. Down, down, down. There's the tree that fell on it. And there it goes all the way back up. So this is where all the smoke yesterday was coming from. I'm kind of blocking some of the sun, some of the glare with my hand. That's what you can probably see at the top of the screen. But that's what happened to our power. Actually, you can see the line that goes from that pole. So I think we're gonna have electricity today, which is awesome. Let me zoom out so I don't make everybody nauseous as I walk. Oh, I am so happy to see those guys here. This is so cool.